Of course, it's a true story, but the truth is that unplanned events are one of the most adventurous events, as always, when compared to the planned ones. At least in our case, yes, that's the reality. We wanted to go with a very small group, and we ended up going with a large group of 40 people, and that was one of the most amazing experience that we've been having in our recent treks that we've been doing with the team, The Wild.
Hey guys, so we are leaving from Bangalore now. It's 6 a.m. in the morning.
Finally ready to leave for our Antargange trek. Antargange is not just a trek. It's an adventurous place where you will be doing some kind of an exploration as well.
This trek is the best example that explains that trek has no age barriers. You will find people from all age groups enjoying the trek from the start point till the end point.
After the lockdown, this is the first one. So we want to be prepared and we want to go like a fresh mind and we want to enjoy it. 60 kilometers from Bangalore towards the Kolar District route.
So in between we are planning to have a breakfast on the way.
And then we will head to the spot.
Stick around till the end of the video as we have found something very interesting, which was the takeaway for us from this trek, which also defines what's the vegetarian lifestyle all about. We were so happy to meet this person, Vasanta Reddy, who has signed up forever to make this world a better place and so that you enjoy the beauty of the place.
This is Tilak. He is going to be joining us for the trek, and yeah, we're going to have some fun together.
Yes, we'll have fun.
So we just reached the point. We are a crew of like 44 people, and we've just started the trek. We will reach in like 1.5 hours, 2 hours. And yeah, all of
The
us.
code word is jumbo
The
sandwich.
code word is jumbo sandwich. If at all you get lost, you scream jumbo sandwich.
In my opinion, 6 a.m. is the best time to travel. The earlier the better, so that you can have a pleasant trek.
So part of the trek, we've just reached a quick point. It's a temple, and yeah, everyone is just here for a quick stop.
For those who will be doing this for the first time, this was a small climb just till the temple. But from here on, there is a price to be paid if you want to do the Antargange trek. The actual trek stretches up to 2.5 kilometers. Anything beyond that, it's your personal opinion. We do have certain time restrictions. Antargange in particularly is from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. as mentioned by the authorities here.
So we've just entered the restricted zone. To enter this particular place, you need special permissions, and I think there's a separate booking done for it. There's something called as My Eco Trip. You can follow that link. I'll just put it in the description below. These are some of the hairpins which are not really that easy. You have to be very careful when you're climbing. Make sure you're wearing your gears, you're wearing good shoes. Without that, don't plan for a trek. We are not yet there, but yeah, we are not that far. We are midway, and this is the height. As you can see, pointing towards that end is, I think, the cave that we will be exploring. And it's not too far. I think we're just almost there. So we made it to the cave, and looks like it's exciting and adventurous. I think you should take a look at it.
Just be there. I'll give you the green light. Wait.
You're shooting yourself. Okay. So don't worry. Halfway through.
Oh, somebody.
This is the worst part of trekking where you see plastic bottles thrown here also. Look at this. Yeah, hold this one. Keep your bags down, keep your bags down. Bag. Bunny. So we are inside the cave and we have another milestone. It's like a small pit. We have to cross that. And I don't know what else is left, but we're gonna do that next. Let's go into it. Is this the hardest part?
Miniaturize yourself and go.
Yeah, come down. So we finally completed the cave exploration and now we are heading to another point which is like say another kilometer something from here, and then from there we'll head to the lunch. It's a viewpoint. Let's see how beautiful it is. Like a lot of people are talking about that place, so I'm excited to go and see how it looks like. Probably one of the destinations we'll explore. This is a complete new exploration that we're doing, and Antargange is something new. We've never come here before.
From the start of the journey till the end of the trek, this one amazing person has been carrying all the bottles on the way and putting it in the garbage bag. She's been traveling throughout the trek. So this is the place where all the plastic bottles are gathered, and this is not a dump yard. This is a place where plastic bottles are collected, and all these plastic bottles are reused for making eco bricks. And these are one of those eco bricks which can be reused in making any kind of an arrangement, any sort of a structure, anything that can hold a lot of weight. Isn't that amazing? This is something we learned in this trek.
Manmohana, contribution, save environment.
So finally we come to an end to the trek.
And at the end, we all become story. All that matters is the experience you gained. We have a lot of treks lined up for you, so stick around, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and keep watching The Vegetarian Travelers.